Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we're trying something new. Well, kind of new. It's new as in I've never tried it before. I've never made it before. I've never even tasted one of these. I don't know what to expect. I really don't. We're gonna make omelet in a hole. Now, I got the inspiration from a great YouTube channel, Griddle Grub. I don't know if you've heard of that YouTube channel or not. If you haven't, you need to go check Ron out over there. Got a great thing going on over there. He's got some great ideas, great recipes. And I think this is going to be one of them. I can't wait to try this out. So the link to his channel will be down below in the description. Speaking of down below in the description, if you're looking for any recipes we may have done, our play link is down there. Now you can click on that play link and you can look for any recipes we may have done. If you don't see what you're looking for, let us know what you would like to see us try to cook. Keyword try. I'm just a guy in the backyard. Just trying things out. Love to do this. I love that you love watching me, and thank you so much for everything you do. I really do appreciate that. But if you want to leave a suggestion, by all means, leave it. We got something coming up, matter of fact, so stay tuned. Now, also down there is a link tree. So if you're looking for any other social media that we may be on, our Pinterest, our Facebook, our Instagrams, our whatever, or even TikTok, is all that's down there. Click on that link tree, check it all out. Now, with that being said, we got to fire this thing up, and I got to show you how we're going to make our omelets in a hole. Now, this is a cold griddle, so let's fix that real quick. Let's go ahead and heat this thing up. Now, I'm only going 3 burners, like so, right here. And I am going to go down to low on these 3. Leave this side in case we need to slide anything over, like usual. Now here is what we are going to use to make our omelets in the hole. Of course, now what I did is I got some Texas toast right here, and I cut the center out. Of course, you know I didn't do a very good job right there, but that's okay. It ain't got to be perfect. Got 2 of those. We got a couple eggs here I have actually beaten up and put just a little bit of milk in there. We got some diced ham. We got some bell peppers and onions back here. I diced up and chopped up some bacon, some thick cut bacon, and I have some shredded Colby Jack cheese. Now, for seasoning, we have, of course, some black pepper. I'm going to use this Blackstone Hatch chili and cheddar. This is some really good stuff, y'all. And I got some kosher salt here. And we have some butter. Y'all, that's it. That is it. There's our white smoke I'm looking for. That only tells me one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. So let's go ahead and throw our peppers, our bacon, and our ham all on here. Bacon on here, y'all. Ooh, gotta leave some out. Can't have that. All the ham. And all our peppers and onions. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cook all these together because it won't take long. Ooh, boy, that smells good already. Just spread things out, let it cook. That might look like one big mess, but I tell you what, it sure does smell good. I just come in here every now and then and just stir things up. His hands want to pop everywhere. Now, you'll know when this is done, when that bacon is crispy like you want it, the peppers and onions are done softened up, and that ham's got a good little char to it. And I think ours is right there where I want it to be. So let's slide this on over. Get over here in our little cool area. Get all our stuff over here. All right, we got everything ready to go, make our omelet. So what I did is I went ahead and cut these 3 burners here on this side. It's off now. This one's set on low because I don't want that egg to cook too quick. Now let's throw down some butter and let's look at making these things. Now we want a lot of butter down on this. Lots of butter. Butter, butter, butter. Butter, butter, butter. Throw these down. Oh, that one came apart. But that's okay. We got something to hold it together. Let's add all this in here like this. Do the same with this one. Load it on up, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of Hatch chili and cheddar in there before I throw an egg in there. Put a little bit in each one there. All right, let's add our egg in. We're gonna add about half our mixture in that one. And The other half, uh-oh. Yeah, I broke my bread, y'all. We don't work out perfect every time, but that's okay. Look, we stopped it. It's fine. Man, these are gonna be so good when they're done. I can't wait to dive into them. We gotta finish these things up, y'all. So now we got the egg in it. Let's add a little pepper and salt. Put some pepper down in there. A little bit of salt. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's throw some cheese on here. So I'm gonna rip this cheese up and just kind of lay it in there like that. Okay? Like so. Do the same over here. There we go. Now we can put our bread back in there. Like that right there. These have been going about a minute or two now. Let's go ahead and give them a flip. Put them on the other side. Before we do, we need to put down some butter and get that good buttery taste on that back side too. Let's butter this up over here. And flip it over. Oh yeah. There we go. Like that. Push it on down. Now from here, I'm gonna add a little cheese on top. Like so. And to melt that cheese down, we're gonna dome it up. It's gonna be some good eating here in a minute, y'all. All right, let's pop the top and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's it. I mean, y'all look at that. That cheese done melted down. You know all that stuff is in there. I say we take them up. You hear that? Got a good toast on them things. Y'all got to see these things. They're pretty. Just look at that right there. Man, you know all that cheese is hiding all that good stuff down below with all them peppers and onions and that bacon, that ham, that egg with that hatch chili and cheddar in it. Oh, I can't wait to try these things out, y'all. But before I try them out, I think we need to do a little post dusting with this hatch chili and cheddar. Let's just do a little post dusting across the top of them. Not real heavy, just a little light. There we go. There we go. Well, I tell you what, these things, they look so good. And man, they smell so good. Well, that hatch chili and cheddar is really smelling up. I got to try one of these, y'all. I try this out. That cheese pull. Why? So, why have I waited so long to make these? That is so good. Man, what a way to start a day. This is so good for breakfast, dinner, lunch. I'd have these any time of the day, I promise you. These are good. You know, of course the toast is there, but then all that cheese and, you know, we put that bacon and that onion and peppers and all that in there, along with the hatch chili and cheddar. That really, that taste is really coming through. It really tops these off. These are so good. And you see how simple they were to make. Now, here's the good thing about it. They're so versatile. You can put any kind of thing if you want peppers, onions, if you don't want peppers and onions, if you want jalapenos, whatever you want, you can put these in here. Matter of fact, I'd like to know what you would like in there. So let me know down in the comments down below what you'd put in it. But for right now, I got to finish these two up, and we'll see you next time.